about the opulence that defines China's luxury real estate market, welcome to a journey that will take us through the most sought-after addresses in China. Let's kick off our exploration in the heart of China's financial hub, Shanghai. Sky Mansion, a lofty residential tower, epitomizes the city's towering aspirations. Imagine spacious apartments with breathtaking city views, personal elevators taking you straight to your cloud-high abode, and indoor pools adding luxury to your everyday life. The exclusivity doesn't stop within the apartments. It goes beyond, with residents accessing a spectrum of custom services. Next, we delve into Beijing's architectural marvel, the Pangu Plaza. Positioned near the Olympic Park, Pangu Plaza is an embodiment of the city's spirit and dynamism. Its iconic dragon-shaped design houses luxury apartments, a five-star hotel, and premium retail spaces, making it a beacon of opulence in the capital city. Shanghai, however, is not one to be outdone. One Hyde Park, inspired by the famous London development, has redefined luxury living. Residents here enjoy ultra-luxurious residences, personalized concierge services, advanced security systems, and an unparalleled level of privacy. It's a sanctuary amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Hong Kong's Repulse Bay. This upscale residential area is home to some of the most expensive properties in the world. Waterfront villas and penthouses here command breathtaking views of the South China Sea, offering a slice of paradise for the fortunate few. Lastly, we venture into Shenzhen, where the Shenzhen Bay Clubhouse, designed by renowned architect Richard Meier, stands as a symbol of modern luxury. Residents get exclusive access to world-class amenities, including a private beach, tennis courts, and gourmet dining options. It's a place where luxury meets lifestyle. In summary, China's luxury real estate market is a testament to the country's economic growth and the rising aspirations of its people. It's characterized by state-of-the-art amenities, unique architectural designs, and prime locations. Whether it's the panoramic city views from Shanghai's Sky Mansion, the iconic design of Beijing's Pangu Plaza, the ultra-luxurious residences of One Hyde Park, the breathtaking waterfront properties in Repulse Bay, or the modern elegance of Shenzhen Bay Clubhouse, China's luxury real estate is redefining the standards of high-end living. So the next time you think of luxury real estate, remember, the Dragon of the East has much to offer.